What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the vlog. We're with Loose Neck today. This is Loose Neck.
That's you, dude.
Daniel Ricciardo. Daniel Ricciardo.
DR.
What are we doing?
We are just pulling into Sam's Autoland right now. We're finna go and get my body panels. I got some freshies, just got painted up.
So if you guys don't subscribe to him, it's Dylan Hughes. I'll put the link down below. He just did a video showing how to make gussets, and you could actually see his body kit. And I don't know if you filmed dropping it off or not.
No.
No? Okay, well, he's gonna be producing a lot of good content, so make sure you go subscribe to him. That is fire. I don't know if you guys can see the flake in it. It's like a gold silver flake. It's like rainbow. Ooh, over here.
Fresh body panels, bruh. Look at that.
What kind of kit is this?
This is the 2F Performance kit with some Origin front fenders.
This looks so good.
Dude, I love that gray. It's my favorite of all time. Can't wait to put him on my car and hopefully I don't destroy him.
Everything made it safe with the sketchy way that Dylan decided to strap it down.
It was prime, dude. Leave me alone.
Dude, but it didn't fall out though, so that's all that matters.
All that matters.
He needs to get some stickers made.
Yeah, gotta get some stickies made. I just made a nice little list right there after I just measured everything out on the bumper. So we kind of got the measurements, overall width. Yeah, get those guys cut out all white, make it looking proper.
But Dylan's going to let me fire up the little MIG welder. So
Loose Neck was just like, hey, can I weld something? And I was like, yeah, you can, bud.
I'm not Loose Neck, that's Loose Neck. So he's gonna get this notcher all set up. We just cut in half this solid tube of just like spare metal that he had, and gonna lay down some dimes.
Lay down some dime stackage, bruh. Probably one of my favorite notches I've ever used. This is the Bailey Industrial. I don't work with them in any way, shape, or form. This is just the best notcher I've ever used. So we are gonna turn this into a sick little cope. So basically it's got this like automatic adjusting jaw, so you just stick this tube through there. It'll grab onto it nice and tight, like so. And then basically you can set this thing at any angle that you want. And that's what's so cool about this is you can notch it from any angle, any size that you want. So you can move this guy around, get your angle just right. So right about there looks about good for us right now, just because Noah's gonna practice this guy. Tighten this down.
And this is what you use for all the cages that you do, and also this is what he used to make the cage in Chris Forsberg's car.
Yeah.
And Ryan Turk's FRS that he's going to be building right now.
So Turk's FRS is coming next week. I just finished up Chris's 350Z. I've done his 370Z before, a bunch of Subarus and a bunch of different chassis. So this is by far my favorite. And then I have this super custom
Chicago Electric Harbor
Freight Special. The loudest drill I've ever used, but it works great. So whatever, I'm down with it. Loose Neck's first notch.
Yo.
You betcha.
There we go.
Look at that.
FU.
FU. All right, guys.
Notch, if you ask me.
It's a pretty good looking notch, I'd say.
Pretty good notch.
Yeah, we got the old hole dozer just doing its job. You know, the usual. So we're just gonna fire this guy open. All right, pull it on out of there. Oh, look at that.
Ooh, look at all that metal in my hand now.
Yeah. So that felt good. So that's gross. So looking pretty good. Okay, so now basically we'll just clean it up with a little angle grinder, and then we'll glue them together properly.
Glue them.
Glue it
with some dimes.
Loose Neck.
These are really foggy right now. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I can barely see what I'm looking at.
So usually I'll just tack it somewhere where you can't really see it that much. So I'll usually do it in here. Okay, you just ruined my mojo, Loose Neck.
Go for it.
So usually I'll just tack it right on the edges here, not the edges, but the corners, one right there, one right there. That'll hold it from going anywhere, and then you can basically just like whop, 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 burn that thing all the way around.
Just burn it, turn it, and burn it?
Turn it and burn it. Bro, do you even know what you're doing?
Dude, I'm kitted up right now.
Kitted up. Fitted and kitted.
Got this Miller helmet.
Oh, dude.
Got these
DH gloves.
The Daniel Hughes Ricciardo.
Good one.
It really should be LN for loose neck.
No, that's
Dude,
you.
That's you,
That's
Richard.
you.
Let's fire up this Miller welder.
Just weld the thing, would you?
Dude, Richard, I need to plug the welder in. I
Tina.
can't. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Just get a little.
You got some gum? You got some bubble gum?
That wasn't bubble gum. That was. I can't say. Never mind.
Loose neck is out of control right now.
All right, let's fire
Have some chill.
Dude, there's no chill. What is this? What kind of welder is this?
This is a Millermatic 211, little 110 jobby that we've been jamming with, but works pretty good. I like it. It does okay. It does 220. It does do both of them. I dropped the ground just now, but that's
You know,
all right.
I would have completely forgot to connect the ground. That would have been my fault.
That's all right. Okay, here, monster truck that guy on the bottom right here,
on the
so it's not in your way.
Oh, you're right. Smart,
Okay,
Richard.
good. So meow. This is your lead.
You want to make sure that is straight.
Straight definitely helps.
Yep.
And then now I'm gonna fire this guy on back here. Where we at? There she is. Okay, we got our gas on. It's already set last time I used it. So we're gonna turn this guy up. Yeah, give it the whip. Hooba!
Oh, wow, the shadow is hard.
Oh, loose neck, quit it. Woo!
I messed up.
Oh.
There we go. Nope, didn't connect.
Strike two.
Richard.
Get in there.
All right, loose neck.
There she is.
That's better. All right.
Okay, so it looks like she's pretty well centered. Everything's looking good. I'd throw one more tack right there.
Okay. A nice little tack movie.
Get her did. Camera is very upset about that.
Very upset.
That is a tack, dude.
Yeah, it's a pretty big one.
Full blown. Okay, here, loosen that vise up a little bit. So what's gonna make it easier for you is if you turn it like that. Okay, now clamp her back down. So then now probably what I would do is start from, I would go on this side, set your hand right here.
Yeah.
And then probably start the torch right there and then just walk your way over down into that corner.
Okay, is there a preference on going left to right? Like,
I usually like to weld, so I'm right-handed, so I start this way and then I weld towards myself so I can see the puddle, so I can see what's going on, you know what I mean?
Alright, makes sense.
So I would stand right where I am and then just like wham, all the way across like that.
Okay.
So this is how I would do it. I would just set my one hand on here. You have to have something to set your hands on or else if you're just floating around, it's wicked unstable. So
yeah.
I would set your hand right there and I still got my trigger finger on the trigger and then I would just go move, stop, all the way around.
And then what about distance? How much of a distance would you keep from?
Right about what you have right now is about perfect. So probably in between 1/4 and 1/2, anywhere around there would probably be okay. And when I say move, stop, I don't mean let off of the trigger. I mean hold the trigger, move, stop while still on the trigger. Give it a try, see what's up. All right, Tina, how'd it go?
I mean,
She's glued, dude.
she's on there.
She's on there. I would say that's not gonna fall off of there anytime soon.
There's maybe a little too much time on there,
Well,
but
he was moving nice and slow, but that's all right. Pretty much the right idea there. Not bad.
fire up the other side now.
Not bad. All right, so just move just a little bit faster this time. That was a little bit hot, but now you kind of got a feel for it. Double N does welding.
It's not bad.
Crispy, bruh. Crispy.
It's really awkward. It's hard to get used to.
Welding around tube is probably one of the most difficult things that you can do, because it's not just like welding a flat surface, right? You have to like go around the tube,
You're
so that's
always
why it gets.
moving.
Yeah, you're always moving.
Like putting like a bead, I feel like just like straight across like that is not difficult at all.
No.
It's just the same motion all the way. Like
Right. And the biggest thing is just being comfortable. So usually what I'll do is I'll just set my hands on something, just trace over the weld 3 or 4 times before I even pull the trigger on the welder, just so that you're fully comfortable. And sometimes I'll start in an uncomfortable position and then weld into comfort so that the weld is fairly consistent the whole way. So that's a couple of things that I like to do, but not bad. Loose neck, looks good. That backside looks good right there. Still maybe a tiny bit too slow, but I mean, Rather be too slow than too fast. It ain't gonna fall off, that's for sure.
That's true. It doesn't look the best.
That ain't bad.
As you can see, I am 100% a professional welder now. Let me get that little, ooh, fix that.
There you go.
Right there, ooh, fired up right there. I don't know, it's not looking chill. For some reason, it does not want to focus. That's the problem with this lens. All of you guys complain about the camera, I'm sorry. Soon I will be getting a G7X and it'll be a lot better. Richard over here already has one.
I do not.
He already has one. He borrows one, but he gets to use it. So soon enough I will be upgrading my camera.
Poor loose neck, he'll grow up someday.
Richard, you're a loose neck. You're not loose neck, get it right. You guys didn't know this is Quad R here?
Oh, yeah.
Or DR, Daniel Ricciardo?
That is really creative. How'd you come up with that?
Or RD, goddamn, Daniel Ricciardo.
DR or Quad N or Quad R. What's after quad? It's like
If you guys
no, quadruple, what's 5?
If you guys know what 5 times is, please let me know in the comments below, because we've been trying to figure it out and we can't find out
like
for the life of us.
sextuplet is like 6 maybe, but
Pseudo.
you're Cinco times R.
Cinco times
You're
R.
5 times Richard, which means you're a dick times 5. Richard.
Treyway.
The charts, you know what I'm saying? Look at the treyway.
Alright, we got the loosest of loose necks in front of us in his E36. Dylan is going to do a video with Jordan. Jordan came down. You guys saw him earlier. But what?
I said, what's up, guys?
Yeah, what's up, guys?
What's good?
What's up, guys? What's up, Jaskin? We're missing Jaskin. We need him to come. I don't know if he's gonna come tonight. He might, but worst case scenario, we'll see him tomorrow. I think we're gonna go to this spot where Jason and I shot with Dylan the other day, but there's like a couple other spots around there, and Jordan's gonna try and make a video. He has his Ronin and everything. Everyone's just chilling back at the house now. We had a long day of filming, messing around, just picking up parts with Dylan. If you guys haven't already, please like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.